Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can pay for your invoice using MTN Mobile Money. Now, if you get the invoice from booking.com, you have the steps right here below the document on how you can pay with mobile money and all that. Now, you can also choose to pay using bank transfer. So that is the bank details that you can use. Now, there are key things you need before going with mobile money option. You need to keep your invoice number and accommodation number because that is how booking.com is going to identify your payment. If you have no idea where to get this, go to your property and then go to finance, and then you'll find the other option for invoices. Now, let's go over to the phone and see how we can make the payment step by step. So you're basically going to open your phone and then you dial *165# and press enter, and then we choose MTN. After that, I'll choose option 4, which is payments, and then I'll choose option 4, which is goods and services, and then after I'll enter the merchant code, which is booking in capital letter. So after entering booking, I will put my payment reference, and then which is basically the accommodation number and the invoice number. So I wrote them in notepad, so I'm just going to paste it here. So you can see that's my invoice number and my accommodation number, and then I'll click on send. So after that, it will ask you for the amount, so I'll enter the amount that I am supposed to pay. In this case, it is 214,693 shillings, and then I'll click on send, and then it will ask you to put your PIN. Then from here you can put your PIN, and then after that your transaction is being processed. So after that, wait for 1 or 2 days and your invoice will be marked as paid on booking.com. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any other questions on booking.com.